Welcome back to Tech Simplix. In this video, I'll show you how to create B-roll shots for your documentary style content, just like the ones you see on YouTube. But before that, subscribe to my channel for more weekly update on AI tools and tech tutorials. Now let's begin. Our journey begins in ChatGPT. Every great animation needs a compelling script. Here, I'm pasting in a short dramatic intro for a story about the FBI. This text will be the foundation for both our visuals and our narration. Once your story is in place, it's time to create the visual blueprint. We'll give ChatGPT a specific instruction. Watch as I type, give me image prompts for each shot with adding this. Style, a highly stylized 3D render of a featureless human figure with no facial features. This specific style is key. It creates a sense of anonymity and mystery, forcing the viewer to focus on the story itself, just like in popular online documentaries. With a single click, ChatGPT breaks down our story into distinct cinematic shots, each with a detailed prompt ready for our image generator. Now let's bring these prompts to life using Google AI Studio. From the main dashboard, navigate to Generate Media and select Imagen, Google's powerful image generation model. For the best results, we'll use the Imagen 3 model. Before we start, let's adjust the settings. We'll select a 16:9 aspect ratio for that perfect widescreen look and ask for 4 results per prompt, giving us plenty of options to choose from. Now let's copy the first prompt from ChatGPT for our opening scene and paste it right here. Hit run and watch the magic happen. In just a few seconds, AI Studio generates 4 incredible options for our opening shot of the FBI headquarters. They all look great, capturing that moody, cinematic lighting we asked for. Now let's do the same for our second shot. Perfect. These visuals of an agent in a vast server room perfectly match the narrative. I really like this one, so I'll be sure to download it. We'll repeat this process for all our scenes, generating images for our character typing at a laptop and more, until we have all the visual elements for our story. Don't forget to download your favorite image from each set. With our images ready, it's time to add motion. For this, we'll use an incredible tool called Google Flow. Once you're in a new project, you'll see several options. We're going to choose frames to video, which is perfect for animating still images. Now simply upload the first image you downloaded. Now for the fun part. Flow gives us precise control over the animation. First, we can add camera movement to create a more dynamic shot. I'm going to select orbit left to make the camera circle slowly. Next, we'll add a text prompt to animate the subject of the image. I'll type, the character moves slowly in dramatic slow motion with subtle movement. This tells the AI exactly how we want our scene to feel. We'll use the VO Too Fast model, which gives great results without using too many credits. Now click Generate. Flow's AI analyzes the image and the prompts to create a seamless animated video. And look at that. Our static image is now a living scene. For the best quality, you can easily upscale the final video to 1080p. We'll repeat this for every image, bringing our entire documentary to life shot by shot. Our animation is complete, but it needs a voice. Let's head back to Google AI Studio to create our narration. Go to Generate Media, and this time, select Gemini Speech Generation. We'll stick with a single speaker audio for our documentary. Here you can choose from a huge library of AI voices. You can even preview them to find the perfect one for your project. I think the voice name Umbriel has the serious, authoritative tone we're looking for. Now this is crucial. In the Style Instructions box, we can define the delivery. I'll instruct it to read aloud in a deep, tense, documentary-style voice with deliberate pacing. Finally, we'll paste our original script into the text box and click Run. Within moments, the AI generates a professional broadcast quality voiceover. Let's have a listen.
The FBI, the most secure law enforcement agency in America.
It's perfect. All that's left is to download this audio file and combine it with your animated clips in any video editor. And here is the final result.
The FBI, the most secure law enforcement agency in America. Behind its walls, millions of classified files, top-secret operations, and the deepest national security secrets are locked away. But in 2015, one of their own, an experienced FBI agent with years of trust and clearance, did the unthinkable. Using the very skills he mastered inside the Bureau, he breached their systems from within.
A professional 3D animated documentary scene created entirely with AI tools. By following this workflow, from script to prompts in ChatGPT, to visuals in Imagen, to animation in Flow, and finally audio in Gemini, you can create incredible content that stands out. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel.